Hey, how's it going, y'all? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing how to make cheap Amazon LED cubes into a waterproof and great light for your off-road vehicle. Alright, so starting off, we got these $28 dual LED amber cubes off Amazon. So this one's a complete one, not taking it apart yet. Very nice. I already tested the brightness, I'll show you here in a bit. And it looks good. It reminds me a lot of the Baja Designs LED amber light. But the issue with almost all Amazon LEDs is you start getting water condensation in here. And the reason for that is these lenses are not waterproof. And I'll show you here with this one. This one, I just took off the screws. As you can see here, they're Allen head screws. I didn't pry on or anything. Immediately after I took off the screws, this comes right off. No waterproof, no RTV, no seal. And that is why you're getting condensation in there, because that's all it is. It's just an amber lens, and then you have your basic LEDs right here. There's nothing protecting that from getting water, dirt, sand, or anything in there. So the simplest fix that we're going to do is you're going to put this back on. This one does have, this one does have our a rubber ring, which is great. That protects the LEDs down in here, but it doesn't prevent condensation from sitting up top in between here. And we all know that these rubber rings can fail, especially when not seated properly. With this one, doesn't seem to go all the way in correctly. As you can see, there's a little ridge it has to sit in there, and you can kind of see there's already like some melted pieces of what used to be the rubber ring right in there. You just, if it focuses, but yeah, you get the idea. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an RTV ring, which I have, excuse my mess, I'm just making a mess everywhere today. Oh, excuse me, I got like 4 different projects going on right now. But I have this laying around. It's gray. I mean, ideally we'd use black or clear, but this is free because it was laying around the shop, and I don't feel like spending $4 at the auto parts store for such a simple and easy video. So let's get to it and I'll show you. All right, as you can see, this is exactly how I did it. I just ran a thin layer of RTV around the lens, and then a thin layer around the outside of the rubber O-ring, I guess. And then when you put this on top, it is going to push a little bit on the outside, which is fine because we could wipe that off with a wet paper towel and you won't even see it. So I'm doing this video by myself, so I'm going to have to put the camera down while I do this, but I'll let you know how it comes out. All right, guys, you see this is the effect of it after it's been sealed and tightened down. I haven't wiped anything off yet. We do have some on the inside of the ring, which is fine. I'm going to wipe that off before it dries. And what I'm going to be using is this little scrub rag. You can buy these at O'Reilly's. It's like the Gojo material, and it says for RTV. And we're just going to wipe this off. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I wiped it all down. It's still a little wet, and you can still see a little bit of that gray silicone sticking through, which is why I said black would have been better and ideal. But honestly, looking straight at it, you can't even tell. Like, you're literally 6 inches away and you can't tell. You have to look at an angle to see it and know what you're looking for. A little bit sticking through. You could get pretty OCD about cleaning if you want. Go through with a little thin piece of paper or a razor and clean that up. But it's perfectly fine for what I'm doing. It's going to be hidden in the bumper. I just want to make sure moisture didn't get through and ruin that. So 1 down, 5 more to go. I'm not going to let you go through all 5, so we're going to stop at this one. I'm going to show you how the light looks, and you could be the judge. I'll put the link of this exact pod in my Amazon description, in my YouTube description, so y'all could order if you want. I think it was like $28, so let me hook it up to a little Milwaukee battery and show you what it looks like. All right, I got it plugged into a little M12 Milwaukee battery. You see that's the light, very, very bright. It is a very sunny day, and you can still see it on the garage wall. It's a spotlight, so of course it's gonna be just a direct spot, but very nice. You see poking through the windshield there on the paint, blind you. Super nice. And if you have one of these Milwaukee batteries. It's super easy to just plug in and test out. But yeah, that's it. I'll post an update on how these lights last in about 3 months, and then my fix worked or not. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped. This is literally just took a little Allen key and some RTV, and you're good to go. So have a great day. Bye.